This market is so cool. Look at all these different stalls. You can find everything here. Fresh fruits, vegetables, flowers, and even handmade crafts.
I know. It's one of my favorite places to visit on weekends. Have you started getting ready for our grammar test next week?
Yeah, a little bit. But I'm still confused about some parts, especially when it comes to making nouns plural.
Making nouns plural? What's confusing you?
Well, I know that nouns can be singular or plural, but sometimes I get mixed up with the different rules. It is tricky.
I get it. Making nouns plural can seem confusing at first, but once you see the patterns, it becomes much easier. Hey, why don't we use our time here at the market to practice? We can look at things around us and talk about their noun forms. How does that sound?
That sounds like a great idea. Maybe if I see some real examples, it will make more sense. How can we start?
Let's start with something simple. Look at that stall over there with the fruits. What do you see?
I see an apple. That's singular, right?
Exactly. A noun is considered to be in the singular number if it represents a single person, place, thing, or animal.
I got it. And if there are more than one?
If there are more than one, it would be apples. A noun in the plural form represents more than one individual location, object, or animal.
I get that. What about those tomatoes over there?
Tomatoes is the plural form of tomato. Since tomato ends with an O, we add es to make it plural.
Oh, I see. So potato would become potatoes too?
That's right. And what about those boxes of peaches?
Peach becomes peaches, right? Because it ends in ch, you add es.
Exactly. You're getting better at it. Now, what if the word ends with y?
I remember you mentioned something about that. If it ends with a consonant followed by y, you change the y to I and add es. So berry becomes berries.
That's correct. But if it ends with a vowel followed by y, like key, you just add s to make keys.
This is starting to make more sense now. What about those kids over there? What's the plural form of child?
Child is an irregular noun, so its plural form is children. There are quite a few irregular nouns like man becomes men, woman becomes women, and mouse becomes mice.
Irregular nouns are tricky, but I think I can remember those. Are they nouns that don't change at all when they're plural?
Yes, there are nouns that don't change at all when they are plural. Words like sheep and fish don't change in their plural form. For example, one fish and many fish.
That's interesting. What about compound nouns like toothbrush?
Good question. For compound nouns, you usually make the main word plural. So toothbrush become toothbrushes.
Oh, I got it. I remember another rule. For most nouns ending in F or FE, you change the F or FE to VES. So leaf becomes leaves.
Exactly. Wife becomes wives.
Thanks, Akshit. This is helpful. I now feel more comfortable using plural nouns.
I'm glad to hear that, Janvi. It's all about practice and seeing these examples in real life. Let's keep exploring the market and see what other noun forms we can find.